Welcome. In this video I will show you how to record 4K slow motion video with 120 FPS on Xiaomi 15T Pro. So generally it's not quite possible to record a 4K slow motion video on this phone. However, we can bypass these limitations, although we're gonna have to sacrifice the quality in such case. So what I'm talking about is that you cannot directly record a 4K slow motion video on this phone. However, to record this kind of video, you have to go to camera, then select video right here, then swipe to the top, select slow motion, and now you can record, as you can see, the full HD video with 100 up to 960 FPS. So now let's record a sample video to see what it looks like, and then we're gonna try to do the same thing but in 4K, and then we'll compare the results. Okay, so now that the slow motion video is recorded, let's try to play it and see what it looks like. And as you can see, the quality is great, the video is smooth. And now let's try to record a regular video with 4K 200 FPS so that the video should have a better quality this way. And then we're gonna slow it down using the default editor on this phone. So let's go to video. Now we have 4K 120 FPS selected here. Now let me record a similar video. Okay, and now here we have it. So let's tap on the video, then tap the scissors icon, wait until the video is transcoded, then select editor, then select speed, and now let's try to slow it down to, well, maybe 0.5. Okay, and let's tap OK, then save. And now let's see what it does. As you can see, the video has a better quality, though the transitions, as you can see, they are much harsher. They're less smoother than in case of the regular slow motion video. No, this wasn't. So you can see that the original slow motion video is much smoother. So basically this is the answer to this video. We cannot really record a slow motion video in 4K 120 FPS on this phone, though we can get close to it. And if you use some external video editor, I think you can get a much better result with it. But this is the maximum that we can get from this phone, as the device's slow motion video recording capabilities are basically limited to a maximum of 1080p resolution at 120 FPS, 240 or even 960, but not in 4K. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.